Hi y'all. So someone asked recently, I actually was uploading a video, the comment came through, and it just so happened I literally just took my hair out of my braids. 4 braids that I'll show you what it looks like usually when I have it in 4 braids. It's 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Now what happens is usually I can leave my hair like this, but it kind of I don't know, if it's humid it kind of puffs up into a pretty big afro. But the other option is to stretch it out, and what I do to stretch my hair, I do a top knot. So that's what the person asked me for. They specifically asked for the top knot that I use to stretch my hair out. I would usually gather my hair and just pull it up on top. Nothing fancy or anything. It'd probably be neater than this. I cannot see because I don't have on my glasses, so bear with me here. So just in case you're wondering, I washed my hair like 2 weeks ago. It's a little bit dry. I think I have dry scalp. I can't see. So right, so once you've gathered all your hair up on top here, I would just take my right hand and sort of like twist my hair gently, because you don't want to break your hair either. And I sort of like gently pull it around, and as I'm pulling, I'm twisting my hair. This is gently, by the way. I'm not doing this very tightly. And I twist my hair like this around itself. Now, depending on the length of my hair, this is okay. I can hold it in a bun on its own without using any hair ties. But if I want to secure the bun, I would just use a hair tie loosely as well, nothing too tight. Sort of tuck that under there, and this would be a top knot bun. And this, I could keep my hair like this 3-4 days and it will stretch out my hair. Sometimes overnight is enough to stretch it out. So this is a top knot bun. And yeah, so as I said, it's not too tight because you don't want to rough up your edges, right? You don't want to pull it too tight where your edges start to break. That's how you do it. It probably is not as neat as I usually would do it, but you get the point, right? That's one. And the other one that I used to do, it's like a low bun in the back. So these are just ways that I use to stretch my hair out. All right, so this one is where I pull my hair back. Alright, so I pull it back like so in one, and then it's pretty much the same thing where I hold with the left, I kind of turn with the right. And that's how I do it in the back. So right, so that's a couple options that you have to stretch your hair out. Either a top knot bun or a low bun at the back. And as I said, obviously it'll be a little bit neater. I'm trying to demo what the process is for my buns. I hope that was helpful, and let me know in the comments below if there's anything. How do you do your buns? Is it anything different? Like is there another way of doing a top knot bun or a low bun in the back? Let me know your suggestions as well, and if there are any questions or anything else you want me to do, let me know in the comments below. Ciao, see you.